हाँ
हेलो मैम।
बेटा।
हेलो मैम,
हाँ
समीरा घायल नाम की कोई आईडी है ना, वो बुला रही है।
हाँ बेटा बोलो।
मैम आपके पास पहले की पीडीएफ है?
हाँ है।
मैम मेरा मोबाइल है ना, कंपनी में गया था ना, तो सब निकल निकाल डाला है।
ओके बेटा, मुझे मैसेज करना, मैं सेंड कर दूंगी।
मैम मैं इसको सेंड कर दूं?
थैंक यू
वो
मैम।
हाँ आप कर दो, थैंक यू अहद बोले, आप कर दो। ओके, हु इज रीडिंग?
मैम करिए
मोहम्मद अली।
परियानी शफीक।
मोहम्मद अली लाखान इज रीडिंग बेटा। परियानी शफीक, आई गिव यू चांस। ओके।
एक्टिविटी
यस
4 से।
लाखान। हाँ बेटा। करो रीड बेटा।
कहाँ से करना है मैम?
एक्टिविटी 4।
एक्टिविटी 4। ओके मैम। Collect samples of some solid sub, substrate
सब्सटेंसेस।
such as sugar, salt, hulk powder, sand, and sweat used to take 5 glass or you
सॉ
will
डस्ट बेटा, सॉ डस्ट। chalk, sawdust, salt, sugar,
sugar, salt,
chalk powder,
chalk powder, sand, and sweat used.
sawdust.
Sawdust. Take 5 glass or you will notice
Wait beta. Take 5
a
glass or read from beakers.
5 glasses. Stir the contents of each of them with
बेटा यहाँ से रीड करना है आपको।
fill each one of them about to this with water. Add a small uh, amount spoonful of sugar to the first glass, salt to the the second, and simil- similarly add small small amounts of the other sub- substance into the other glasses. Stir, stir the contents of each of them with a spoon. Wait for a few minutes. Observe what happens to the, the substance added to water. Fig 4.4. Note your o- observation as shown, shown in table 4.3.
Okay. Paryani Shafiq, read beta. Soluble or insoluble.
Okay, ma'am. Activity 4. Collect sample of some Collect sample of some solid substance such as sugar, salt, chalk powder, sand, and sawdust. Take 5 glass or beaker. Fill each one of them about two-thirds with water. Add a small amount, a spoonful of sugar to the first glass, salt to the second, and similarly add small amount of the other substance into the other glass. Stir the contact of each of them with a spoon. Wait for a few minutes. Observe what happened to the substance and to water. Not your observation as shown in table. मैम आपका माइक तो ऑन करो.
Oh, sorry. I started explaining and my mic was unmute. Can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
My mic was mute and I started explaining. I forgot to unmute the mic. Okay. So here what we have to do is we have to collect the samples of sugar, salt, chalk powder, sand and sawdust. 5 samples लिए एक स्पून लेनी है सारी की सारी. ठीक है. One spoon of sugar, 1 spoon of salt, 1 spoon of chalk powder, 1 spoon of sand and 1 spoon of sawdust. Then you have to take 5 glasses or beakers. Beakers मतलब this is called a beaker. This is a beaker. Okay. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Beaker. आप ग्लास ले सकते हो या तो बीकर ले सकते हो. ऑलराइट.
Beaker.
देन यू हैव टू फिल देम विथ वाटर. पानी से भर देना है उसको. एंड देन यू हैव टू ऐड स्मॉल अमाउंट ऑफ शुगर टू द फर्स्ट ग्लास. फिर दूसरे ग्लास में सॉल्ट ऐड करना है. देन यू हैव टू ऐड चॉक पाउडर इन द थर्ड ग्लास. Then in the fourth glass you need to add क्या है? Sand there, right? Sand and then sawdust. Okay. You have to add all these 5 substances in 5 different glasses. Then what you have to do? You have to stir the contents. What is stir? Stir मतलब ऐसे ऐसे हिलाते हैं ना, उसको stirring बोलते हैं. ठीक है. Stir the contents of each of them with a spoon. Wait for a few minutes and then you have to see whether they are being soluble or not. Is salt soluble in water? Say yes or no. Is salt soluble in water? Yes or no? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Is salt soluble in water?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Is sugar soluble in water?
No, ma'am.
शुगर पानी में डालोगे तो वो मिक्स नहीं हो जाएगी. उसको हिलाओगे फिर उसको स्टोर कर दोगे सही से, देन इट विल मिक्स. नो. Yes or no? बेटा एटलीस्ट
मैम
yes
शुगर
or no.
हिलाने अगर हिलाओ ना शुगर को तो फिर वो हो जाएगी.
Yes, then it will mix. So sugar is also soluble in water. Is chalk powder soluble in water?
नो मैम.
No. अगर आप उसको stir भी करोगे सही से मिक्सिंग भी करोगे then also we can see chalk powder in water. कलर भी चेंज हो जाएगा वाटर का. Okay. Then what about sand?
व्हाट मैम?
What about sand?
स्वेड.
Sand.
एंड ओ ठीक सैंड. Ma'am, sand is not soluble in water.
Very good. And what about sawdust?
Sawdust, ma'am, I think it is soluble in water.
Sawdust is not soluble in water, बेटा. Sawdust basically क्या होता है? जो लकड़ी को अगर हम घिसते हैं किसी चीज से तो उसका जो कचरा निकलता है ना लकड़ी का, उसको sawdust बोलते हैं. It is not soluble in water. Okay? Okay? So, table 4.3, salt completely disappears in water. Sugar, sugar में क्या आएगा? Yes, Shafiq, Ragib Hassan, Ahad Dholia, Lakhani Mohammad Ali, please say beta. Salt will completely
Hello,
disappear in
ma'am.
water. Sugar, what about sugar?
Ma'am, sugar. शुगर का क्या होता है?
Soluble or insoluble? Just say that.
Soluble.
Okay. What about sand?
Sand. मैम दूसरा को पूछो. मैं ही बोलूं.
हाँ बोलो बोलो.
Sand insoluble.
What about chalk powder?
Chalk powder is also insoluble.
What about sawdust?
Sawdust is also insoluble.
Very good. Okay. Who's
Yes, ma'am.
reading now?
मैम मैं करता हूँ.
Okay.
You will notice that substances have completely disappeared or dissolved in water. We can say that these substances are soluble in water. Other substances do not mix with water and do not disappear even after we stir for a long time. These substances are insoluble in water. Water plays an important role in the functioning of our body because it can dissolve a large number of substances. Do liquids also dissolve in water?
Okay. So what did we talk about here? हमने नोटिस किया कि कोई कोई सब्सटेंस है वो completely water में disappear हो जाता है. Some substances will completely disappear in water. But that is, after we stir them, you will not be able to see those substances in water. So those substances are soluble in water. उन substances को soluble कहते हैं. जो completely disappear हो जाते हैं वो those substances are soluble in water. On the other hand, some substance will not mix with water. जैसे sand है. Sand will sit down at the bottom of the beaker and it is not going to disappear in water. So that even after we mix it, stir it, it is not going to disappear in water. So that is called insoluble. Okay, these substances are insoluble in water. Now here, water plays an important role in the functioning of our body. We know that water plays an important role in functioning of our body because it can dissolve a large number of substances. Water can dissolve a large number of substances. बहुत सारे substances है water उसको dissolve कर सकते हैं. So water plays an important role in the functioning of our body. Okay. Do liquids also dissolve in water? Say yes or no. Do liquids dissolve in water? Say yes or no. Do water also dissolve in water?
Ma'am, water will obviously dissolve
Sorry,
in water.
I was not wanting to say do water dissolve in water. I meant that do liquids also dissolve in water. That's what I meant.
Ma'am, not every liquid.
Okay, then which liquid will dissolve in water and which liquid won't dissolve in water? Can you give one example of each, beta?
Ma'am, like
घर से कोई example दे दो. बहुत सारे examples है which things
yes,
are
ma'am,
present in
like
front of
oil.
oil.
Hair
Oil will
oil
dissolve in.
it can be every can be hair oil. It can be not dissolved in water.
Very good. Oil will not be able to dissolve in water. And what about the liquid which are soluble in water?
Ma'am, rose water. Ma'am, that drinks sharbat.
Hmm. Very good. Ruafza.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so there are some liquids which are dissolved in water, and the liquids like oil, kerosene, coconut oil, cooking oil, olive oil, all these oils are all the oils which are oil based substances will not dissolve in water, right? Okay. Who is reading activity 5? Lakhani Hassan.
Ma'am, can I Pariyan Shafiq?
You read, no, beta? Can I give chance to somebody else? Samira Ghayal. You want to read? Samira Ghayal.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know what your name is, beta.
Khail Muhammad Zaid.
Ghayal Mohammed Zaid. Okay. Can you read activity 5?
Collect samples of ginger, lemon juice, mustard oil और coconut oil. मैम फिर क्या लिखा है?
Kerosene.
Sorry, or any other liquid. Take a glass.
Kerosene, beta. Kerosene.
Kerosene or any other liquid. Take a glass tumbler. Fill it up to half with water. Add a few spoonfuls of one liquid to this and stir it well. Let it stand for 5 minutes. Observe, observe whether the
Hello, ma'am.
liquid
Yes.
mixes with water 1.5.
ए 2 मिनट रुकना भाई, 2 मिनट रुक। मैम उसको फोटोज भेज दी है मैम।
Okay, okay. Yes, okay. Read,
The
beta.
same with other liquids as many different liquids as are able to you
Available.
write
Available.
available to you write your मैम ये क्या है?
Observations.
Observation in table 4.4.
Okay. Here you need 5 samples of liquids. Okay. You can have vinegar. Vinegar भी आपके घर में होता है. Lemon juice is also present at home. Mustard oil. Mustard oil I don't know if there is, but coconut oil होता है. Kerosene भी होता है. ठीक है. So these 5 liquids you
केरोसिन
have to collect. हाँ, kerosene.
होता है मैम, होता है।
Hmm. So you have to take a glass tumbler, मतलब कोई भी ग्लास ले लो या बीकर ले लो. fill it fill it up half with water. उसमें पानी भर लो. And then you have to add a few spoonfuls of liquid to this. Okay. 1 spoon of vinegar in one glass, 1 spoon of lemon juice in another glass, 1 spoon of mustard oil in some other glass. Okay. Then you have to stir it. You have to mix it, okay? Then let it stand for 5 minutes. 5 minutes tak undisturbed रहने दो. Then what you have to do is observe whether the liquid mixes with water. ये liquid है वो water के साथ mix हुए या नहीं. That you have to notice. Now, vinegar is mixing well with water. What about lemon juice? Will lemon juice be soluble in water? Will it mix with water or not? Hello. Will lemon juice mix with water or not?
Yes, ma'am. Most of lemon juice is made only with water.
Very good. So mixes well, okay? What about mustard oil?
Mustard, ma'am, it will be not.
No. Okay, what about coconut oil?
Coconut oil.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, it is.
Will it mix with water?
No, ma'am.
No. Will kerosene mix with water?
Yes, ma'am.
No. Kerosene is also oil-based substance, so it will also not mix with water. See,
ले मैम आपने बोला नहीं.
this is the solution when lemon juice or vinegar is mixed with water. बेटा अहदोलिया माइक म्यूट कर दो. Thank you. This is lemon juice or vinegar. Okay, this is mixed with water. It completely mixes with water. Now here there are two layers. यहाँ first layer is oil और नीचे की layer है वो water है. So it is not mixing with water. Okay, understood? Oil is going to float on water. Okay, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ahad read बेटा.
Yes, ma'am. कहाँ से करना है? We notice that some liquids get completely mixed with water. Some others do not mix with water and form a separate layer when kept aside for some time.
Read.
Buju suggests that we also check if the liquids that we used in activity 5 mix well with some liquid other than water. Pearl is serious to know
Serious नहीं curious बेटा.
curious. Pearl is curious to know whether gases also dissolve in water.
Read.
Some gases are soluble in water, whereas others are not. Water usually has small quantity of some gas dissolved in it. For example, oxygen gas dissolved in water is very important for the survival of animals and plants that live in water.
Okay. So we noticed that some liquids like vinegar and lemon juice are mixing with water completely. Okay, they are completely dissolving in water. While some others, that means kerosene oil, they are not mixing with water. So what Bujo wants to know that will those substances which are not dissolved in water can they dissolve in some other substance? हम कोई और सब्सटेंस में उसको डिसॉल्व कर सकते हैं, यस और नो. जैसे कि केरोसिन है वो पेट्रोल में डिसॉल्व हो सकता है या नहीं? कैन एनीबडी आंसर दिस?
पेट्रोल
What,
किसमें
ma'am?
मिक्स हो सकता है? ए मैं दे रहा वो.
Kerosene cannot mix with water, right?
Yes.
So
Yes, ma'am.
Bujo wants to know whether kerosene dissolve in petrol.
Yes, ma'am.
मतलब कोई
Kerosene
और
Yes,
नहीं.
ma'am.
can.
Kerosene. Kerosene.
Yes. So it is not that if they are not dissolved in water तो वो कोई और substance में dissolve नहीं हो सकता. केरोसिन है वो वाटर में डिसॉल्व नहीं होता, बट कोई और दूसरे सब्सटेंस जो उसके जैसे है उसमें डिसॉल्व हो सकता है. ओके. अदर थिंग, पहेली इज क्यूरियस टू नो वेदर गैसेस आल्सो डिसॉल्व इन वाटर. गैसेस को वाटर में डिसॉल्व कर सकते हैं या नहीं? यस और नो? ढोलिया प्लीज म्यूट योर माइक बेटा, बहुत डिस्टर्बेंस आ रहा है. कैन गैसेस डिसॉल्व इन वाटर? एक एग्जांपल दूं. There is one good example by which you will remember this all for all your life. Do you drink soda?
Yes, ma'am.
तो उसमें क्या होता है?
Yes.
कौन सा गैस?
Ma'am, carbon dioxide.
Very good. So that is the example that gases can dissolve in water. Yes or no?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Other than that, other than that, oxygen gas is also present in water. Oxygen gas is also dissolved in water. How do you know that? Because if oxygen gas is not present in water, then fishes and plants which live underwater, they won't be able to breathe, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, understood. So that is the case. If oxygen gas is not dissolved in water, the plants and animals that live underwater won't be able to survive, because even fishes need oxygen to breathe, right? Yes or no? Okay, so is this clear? Is it clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we are done till here. If you have any doubts, let me know.